public and from the workers that are left behind to pick up the pieces and try to go on and provide a service after this devastating blow. It's having an impact and it will continue to have an impact. I've asked Alexis Allen, who's president of the Teachers Union, and Janet Hazelton is president of the Nurses Union, if they would like to address you and say a few words so that you know you're not in this alone, that we are all here for our members and their families, and they very much interchange. So I'm going to ask Alexis and ask Janet to say a few words.
To see so many of you here, I have to say, I didn't know you were taller than I am, Joe, but there you are. It is so good. I represent, close to 10,000 teachers in this province, and I can tell you that you have their absolute support. It's such a natural connection. What you do helps us do our job. By helping support kids with mental illness between the ages of 6 and 17, and getting them back to school, that is so important. It is. I've been a teacher for 30 years. I've had kids go through some of the programs, and you have made a difference. And it's important to keep that momentum and all those people employed at that position to help kids. I have to say, I said to the press, I don't know what this government has against kids in this province, but it really seems to have something, because everything seems to be, let's just cut it on the backs of kids. It's certainly not children. It's certainly not the families first in this province. So thank you for showing up. This is wonderful to see such a good gathering, and we definitely support your cause, and I hope that you can reinstate all the members at the IWK that support kids. Thank you.
Good afternoon, and wow, this is great. I think that it's very important for you to know that we can't be pitted. The nurses will not be pitted against you workers, and we're not going to replace you so that they can hire more nurses. There's no point in hiring more nurses. Do they need more nurses? Absolutely. But do they need more nurses at the cost of you? Absolutely not. The problem is, they say to us that we're going to hire more nurses. Well, it's not good enough to hire more nurses if you're not going to be able to keep them safe. If you're not going to have people to help us do our job. We need our support, and you are our support. I can't disagree that people need to be looked after in the community. I agree with that whole option. But unfortunately, they said that about healthcare. They said that about our hospitals. They closed beds and they said, don't worry about it, folks. We're going to put everybody in the community and we're going to provide care for them in the community. And so the money left our hospitals, but guess what? It never went to the communities. Look around at some of our streets. Look around at some of the people that require treatment, that used to be getting treatment, and they've been pushed to the street to fend for themselves. That's a shame. And we cannot allow this to continue in this province, especially under this government. Like, we woke up and we thought we were going to get a better governed province. We thought that they cared about our youth. It's not apparent to me that that's what's happening. We will support you. People need to understand that we can't stand and watch our youth, because they are our future, and they deserve our care.